Hey guys, back here with Golden Minecart. Today in Denver, we're at an office building. My brother keeps on saying because I want more. So, not really. It should be good. Are you taking my part of the video? I'm gonna go see what Mom wants. Nothing, okay. Anyone? Yeah, we're over here. Face. What did you eat here? What did you eat? Where are you going? Where are you going? No? Where are you going? No, you're not touching me. On the run. On the run. On the run.
I was thinking that you were married.
Okay, I hold my brother. Here it comes. Well, you found me. Now go hide, dude. Go hide. Go hide. Like, you think that's a hiding spot. See you until he's gone. He's gone. Didn't see where he went. Take the corner. I heard him. He might be in the room. Anything in there? Yeah, he's always sneaky. Not here. Oh, I think I know.
I had decided to come here. I would have come. I was telling I would have come far back in 1964-66. I had an offer. I would come for her and them. These boys. My daughter-in-law, my son.
Yes.
So I have come here for. I have interest in Pakistan.
Yes.
So I will come and go. Still, as you have seen, I have a valid visa up to 21.
Yeah.
After
So
21.
there was one thing we wanted to ask though. He wants to travel to London after he gets his green card. Will he still need a visa or
Hi.
good nationality?
Oh, don't open the door.
Even though you're a permanent resident. Did you open the door?
No, Romeo did.
But your nationality remains to be the same. So whether you want to
Okay, we're back at the crime.
it's a good place to start. Because to call the embassy. Yeah, if they want to stay, they would have linked to different countries, embassy, and you can go from there.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise you can always Google it.
Computer.
Okay, cool. That's everything I need. I'll stop by the store,
Okay.
get that
And
money
get that.
order, get it sent out tomorrow. And if we get a response, I'll email you back
Okay.
copy of it, just so that you guys have it in the file, but we're not gonna use it.
And then once we get his receipt, I take him to get his fingerprints, or we'll get a fingerprint.
Yeah, Just 2 weeks. But US government has so many departments. You do one thing with one, do another thing with another.
Yeah. Are you guys having a lot of cases with the whole Trump thing? Having other people
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
A lot of phone calls. I mean, you just, unfortunately, this president, you hear rumors, you hear his Twitters.
He's going, resigning.
He's supposed to, we'll see.
When you go back to Pakistan to talk to your friends, you will have some interesting stories to tell them about.
Well,
They know
I just
it.
heard
Media is so fast.
Yeah.
All Pakistanis and your Hong Kong people know about America.
Yeah.
Everything.
They think we're crazy.
Yes.
But you people voted for him.
You people, I didn't vote for
I
him.
did not.
No, I didn't vote for him neither. And we had people that cried when the election results
I
happened.
think it was
You,
rigged.
you know that.
Like Russian
I was
on it.
telling her that because of President
I can't say
America built the image of this
I
country.
can't say a word.
Yes.
I can't say a word. Are my friends here? No words. Oh, my friend. Okay, call them. I have to go.
They are not trusting. One day he says, well,
Yes, and then the things that he's saying, it's like, where does he get this information?
There was actually on Facebook, there was a teenage boy. He was born here, but his family. So that's what I'm worried about. My father-in-law, my mother-in-law went back.
And which is my question before the judge appealed it, but Pakistan ultimately don't want that. But unfortunately, there's a lot of rumors. Yeah, at this point, you know, if you let your mother-in-law travel, you go sit down. When your father-in-law wants to
So then, see you guys later.
just give us a call before you go.
And in the description below, you are going to
So
have
that
to see.
and it's good for 1 year. What,
June for green card.
Green
Well,
card takes about 9 to 12
subscribe.
months right now, but at least with travel document, you
Subscribe.
can travel. But
9 to 12 month green card.
yes.
Must